Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. It's a Friday and welcome to the weekend of the biggest match in South African football. Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, however you want to look at it. This is as big as it gets in South African football. All eyes will be on this fixture. The numbers from this fixture, whether it's YouTube, whether it's TV, SuperSport, SABC, this will be the most watched game in South African football this weekend. And that's why you have to prioritize it. You have to be glamorous and of course, watch with glee as we prepare for the biggest encounter. Of course, it's Vinagazi. One of the men who scored in these kind of matches is our analyst. So, coming into the derby, most of the time you guys always say the history is not important. Number much does Peter we camp. Are they nervous? There are no fans. I'm sure that is a plus to some fans. Abasaba is stage, or you know, at least there won't be fans tomorrow. How do you think they will be feeling?
Nguleko qala atimbulise wena mfethu mbuse lapha na uJunior akhowa khanya ngithi justice lapha yana bafethu nani sicela nje lokuni support nje ngaphela umoya soyibeka nje wengakhona nguleko into yokuqala nje ukuthi ukudlala idabi is not an easy game man. Ungawadlala be10 abe 15. Yeah. But each and every dabi mayodlala it different nje. The atmosphere kuyahluka nje all together. Abona njengalena iwes nokuthi akunama supporters, you know, because angithi kunale nkulumo ukuthi kunama players petrol yabo ama supporters makhona ama supporters they perform. So we don't know. Naku ke kusasa ke bajoka bathi no bengidlala ngepetrol ama supporters but angazi ngoba kulama ama game bengidlala ngikora, so ama supporters bengabe bikho madlala away game, so I don't know ukuthi babuye bathini yazi inkulumo zikhona ziningi. Nguleka one thing for sure.
Yeah, I think before you continue, the last time we watched the derby, there was 3-0 and 2-0. I just want to touch on the factor Emma supporters. I don't think we even felt, Tina, as we were watching that game and the rest of South Africa, there were no fans. The intensity was still high, there was competitiveness, and people were happy. They couldn't care less that they were not supporters or they were supporters.
No, it shows the growth of the boys. Because if the tempo will be high, then our supporters, it tells you good. I mean, the boys have grown. Or just we are in the stage. So as is Bambelini is handler, we don't need somebody else who would angfage umoya just to handle that stage. So that was a good thing for both teams, and you know, let's just call it so. See, sense ngibe nama goosebumps when I'm looking at both teams. It Chiefs na Pirates, because it Chiefs in Gulego they're playing for 10 minutes. For the next 80 minutes you don't see them, and you ask yourself ukuthi kwenzakalani ubabuye futhi babone badlali 20 minutes and then nyamalale. So I don't know ukuthi ucoach uKevin Hunt uzoyenza njani ke manje, because I think ngathi uKadoso ngathi is not available if I'm not mistaken. So angazi ukuthi ama defenders azowafaka azoba engakhi ke manje, because iminus one uKadoso or uzophushela wakhe futhi emidleleni afaka ungezana lapha ngoba no Ramatlo ngithi akekho. Mina nguye idabi inkuleko, you know, just go there. Put your best lineup and put ball players. If you wanna challenge Pirates are fun with Sundowns. If you wanna compete with them, put players that they will make them work. Banga it really easy. If Mabumelo 23 point, very obvious Pirates here is a 23 point kusasa, but not be easy, yabo. No, serious. No. Good. You know, we just need to be honest and straightforward. I mean, go Pirates. You count Logic can score, Upule can score, Makareke can score, Omango can score. I wasn't about my playing. Kisabalagi Kosin.
kodwa niyasishaya kodwa nizi legends ne former players. Nina abantu abadla ukuthi akuna form kwidabi ntonton.
Yeah, yazi for iform wena Nkuleko ungavutha the past 5 games if you could dab punch. Yabo? But there's a disadvantage ukuthi at least ku Pirates angeba punch bonke labantu abayi4. One way or another, ara 2 izoshine noma 2 ingapunch but 2 izoshine. Yabo? So ukuthi yibo laba abakorayo. Other than that ekhosini ubani?
Yeah. I mean, it's a tough one. I mean, in terms of style of play, player personnel, we understand which team is the most dominant one. Let's look at it then from a technical perspective. You're a coach. One of the biggest problems of Orlando Pirates, of course, is inconsistent selection. Sometimes you could find that you don't know who's going to play. But in the last 3 or 4 games, you could see about, okay, there's a stable back 4. Uche Letlatwayo, Nyawuza on the right, and Bongane Sem on the left. And then there was Munare, Mutswari. You could argue, which on the left, it could either be Upule or Hoto. I think the only biggest challenge is that idea of placing Uchu Kamanja, who hasn't really been producing the goods as a false 9. Technically, for Orlando Pirates, we'll go to Chiefs. We're not going to find out what is the best way for them to put their foot forward. How do they set up in this game?
I will call my experience here technical team yami uPrasden no Floyd ngizoqala lapho ngibabuyisela ebenchini yami and then have uLonduzana empaleni ngizomfaka for man ngizowenza kanjani ngizomfaka because last game I mean team winile clean sheet, so at least he's got that confidence ukuthi azina nkorwang. And then I'll have Unyauza ulonzana Tyson Uchele Usem Ben Mutsware and Munare Lapayana bese ngiya nguMakarenge phambili vele ngishaya ngemoto phambili akubheke kwebuva uLochi uMangu uPule.
I think it's the same lineup for the rest of the country. Like if you were to ask Kabandube country, they would have 2 or 3 different names. But it's you know what is the strongest team in Paris, but sometimes it doesn't look like that's clear to a coach.
Yeah, you ngicale ngokuthi abona amagame afana nalawa they need experience. So I'll call my technical team experience lekhona Prasden no Floyd babela and then we're going to get that lineup because Nkuleko they've shown these boys ukuthi we can do it. Look at Sam the last game. He did very well. So zombekelana ngaphandle. Futhi lucky enough I will say because of suspension uMail. So the boy is doing very well. Even the previous game ukuthi why ayakhishwa benga understand. Yabona. So now he's got an opportunity to play. Yes, he's doing very well. Even Noshoti naye Lapayana Umako naye he's doing very well. But Ogamanje confidence this point he played well, he scored a goal last game. So let's play him. Immediately le 2 lena akusaba nto ngizokhuluma ngabo. I will talk ngiyale phambili ukuthi uyale phambili there's no space for Ojokamanja. Akabe sebenchini if anything happens bano Dion Otto. If anything happens then I'll put them in. But I still wanna try and see ukuthi because I like Umtambo, I like Uzungu. I don't know ngizobadlalisa kanjani. Yeah, I don't know ukuthi ngabadlalisa kanjani but yabona if game ngashintsha nge 2-0 first half I'll play them because I know ukuthi these people they're not going to score anyway ngoba ngithi bafuna ngama aerial. So ama aerial when I've got to Tyson no Chele la khohla ngeke base bakora noma bangabafaka ku Castro no Lontuzana no Nekovic u Tyson no Chele they'll compete with them. I'm not stressed.
Yeah. Can I ask an interesting question as we transition from Paris to Chiefs? Yeah. Interesting question. In I better the Chiefs Paris. How can Kaizer Chiefs defeat Paris tomorrow? What is the best way that they can set up tomorrow to make sure that they get the victory?
Kulego 1. Okay, ngoba naka akafuna ukudlalisa uNtiyantiya uGavin Hunt. Udlalisa uZulu wakho it's okay. And then you're going to play ngoLontuzana ngo-Aki nangoThawa and then laphana uzofaka uNgezane because I doubt uzofaka uMliko because mama ngafaka umliko I think ngelontuzana i5 is over straight.
So maybe you can answer this question straightforward if you want to. Yeah. If you say there is absolutely no way for Chiefs to beat Pirates, I mean, it's an interesting question that I'm asking you, but if whatever they do to set up, there is no way that they will do it. Then that's your answer. But I think for me it's an interesting one. Like, what is the way to set up? Because Black Leopards in London. Black Leopards, although the pitch is always not good in Venda, for whatever reason, Orlando Pirates lost that game fair and square. So there is a way to beat Orlando Pirates. I mean, they've lost to other matches as well. The Swallows played against them in Orlando and they showed them what we can play. Is there a way that Chiefs can play tomorrow to beat Orlando Pirates? What is that best way?
Is to put ball players. Ball players that they will challenge in midfielder Pirates, because other than that there's no other way. They will work. Especially in the midfield, because that's where Chiefs they're losing all the games. It's because they don't have a midfielder that is very strong. So if you don't have somebody that's going to collect the ball, good defense and 10, and that some midfielders attacker, then you are dead. Yeah. So that's the problem with Chiefs. So if tomorrow, besathi Zuma lapana Negovic at Mashian at Yazine.
It's also possible too that because they haven't lost in 5 games, 3 wins in a row plus 2 draws, it's also possible that if Kevin Handubona and Duibona Ayoba, Pirates is better than them. I think most of the country will know that Pirates have better players. It's possible that Angoyo fight a draw. And a draw is possible as well, because a draw was possible for other teams against Orlando Pirates, Swallows FC, and recently as well. I can't remember the recent one. I think last weekend there was a draw again for Orlando Pirates as well. So it's possible that he can set up to be as very difficult to beat as possible. That is also possible.
Yeah, provided if my technical team they are not available. But if they are available, there's no way. The only problem ends are Pirates in all the other games. The Pirates draw or Pirates lose is because of the coach. We are looking at Amoshela. That is his problem. So he's keep on changing. I've seen a problem in midfield and fix the midfield. Besa I check ukuthi okungilungisile la midlini, let me see ke in the next game ujoba ngilungisile la midlini kunjani. No uyalungisa la midlini amoshe phambili abuye futhi alungise phambili amoshe midlini, because at some games you'll see ukuthi uMunaro was not playing. Uzibuza why Munaro is not playing, because he's doing a very good job no Ben Suswini. Next game umbona Munare is back, but ubona le phambili udalwa false number 9. So coach uZimba uye that make Pirates draw or Pirates lose because of changing work. Agakhoni ukuthi athi maka fixa a problem. Yazi umuntu onjani la coach, instead of fixing the problem is fixing the person. That's where he's getting it wrong. Every time he's fixing players instead of fixing the problem. The problem is not about ukuthi kudlala uJunior Khaya. The problem is how do they attack in that position ka Junior Khaya. So that's where Coach Zimba Pirates, they were attacking a middle lane. What was happening in the middle lane? Who was there? So should I put Umunara no pen to stabilize the midfield? Or ngiyekele uPene one and put Uzungu, or so that we can have more numbers in terms of going forward and have those long passes. That's how you analyze. But then instead of doing that, uvele uzokhipha lo muntu lo afake lo muntu lo amoshele. Uyanganasela ukuthi manje instead of fixing the problem le akasay fix manje le uyomosha le maka fixela moshekile phambili maka fixe phambili moshekile la middle le nje back to nasemuva he did the other game we keep Sam for all good reason we don't know. Sam was doing very well, so uyambona ukuthi umuntu onjani it seems like ngathi he can see into mangabe wrong ne ayilungise, but instead of Magda kulungisa and watch. Uyalungisa moshe somewhere. I don't know where ukuthi no lo akakhona ukudlala lo makadlala kusho udluyana kufanele aphume. That's how ngibona ngathi ulungisa ama mistake akhe ama fault wakhe ngakhona.
All right, there we go. We wrap it up then with your prediction. I think throughout this video you've been making it very clear. Let's make it official now. WSB.co.za. If you feel like you want to bet on these games as well this weekend, there's English Premier League, there's Spanish La Liga, so many different fixtures playing as well. South Africa has just lost a game in the cricket. If you would have bet on Pakistan, you would have won quite a few amounts of rands there. So Vilakazi, prediction.
Ayibhani la win exercise. Ikhosi malingeza ngalendlela eya ku Gavin Hunt i5 bazoyithola. Mara makangeza ngalendlela le ebengibeka ngayo mina. Mhlambe bangathula mhlambe 2-1 mhlambe 3-1. But kona egcineni iParis win game.
All right, so there you go. That's so predicting 5-0 if Kaizer Chiefs play with 7 defenders or 8 defenders. But of course, we have no idea what's going to happen in these games. We can only analyze based on inform your teams. Otherwise, we thank you very much for watching the video. It is Times.co.za, WSB.co.za, Diski TV on Facebook. We thank you very much for watching us.